Cash flow management tips for small businesses. Master your finances. Are you tired of feeling like you're drowning in a sea of numbers and bills? Are you wondering on how to make sure your business stays afloat without consistently worrying about cash? Now stick around, because today we're going to dive into some killer cash flow management tips that will help you master your finances and help you take control of your business. Now, cash flow is the lifeblood of every small business, especially where every single dollar counts. Now, whether you're a startup or you're a growing company, managing cash flow is crucial to your success. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share some practical tips, real-world examples, and strategies that even big companies like Apple and Amazon use, but help you simplify it for your small business. Hey friend, my name is Eric Neum, and I'm here to help you navigate the sometimes murky waters of small business finance. Now today, we're going to talk about cash flow, how to keep it steady, how to avoid those dreaded cash crunches, and how to make sure that your business stays on track for growth. We're going to keep things fun, professional, and most importantly, practical. So let's jump right into it with 5 actionable tips for managing your cash flow like a pro. Okay, tip number 1. Monitor your cash flow regularly. First of all, you want to stay on top of your cash flow. This doesn't mean just looking at your bank balance and thinking everything's okay. You want to regularly review your cash flow statement. It's in QuickBooks to see where the money's coming from and where it is going. This can help you spot trends and address issues before they become a problem. Now, pro tip, you want to schedule a weekly money meeting with yourself to review your finances. Check and monitor your bank account and all of your other balances on a regular basis. Okay, let's go over tip number 2. Invoice promptly and follow up with your clients. You want to invoice quickly and also follow up on them to get paid faster. The faster you send an invoice, the faster you're going to get paid. Now, it sounds super simple, but many small businesses delay invoicing, which can lead to cash flow issues. Consider using a tool like QuickBooks or FreshBooks that will automate how you do your invoicing and also remind your clients to pay. Now, this is a trick that's worked wonders for large businesses, even like Shopify. Now, keep in mind, if you offer terms to your clients, your cash conversion cycle might take 60 to 90 days before you actually collect cash from a sale. Basically, the way it works is you make a sale, you fulfill the service, then you invoice your client, and then your client pays you. For me, I like billing clients in advance of the service being completed because it helps speed up the time on when I get a cash infusion in my own business. Tip 3. Control your expenses. Now, let's talk about controlling your expenses. It's super easy to let small costs add up, but those expenses over time can drain your cash flow. Review your subscriptions, negotiate better rates with suppliers, and always ask yourself, do I really need this? Companies like Netflix, for example, are masters at keeping their expenses lean by focusing only on what drives growth. For me, I like to look at reports for recurring charges in QuickBooks to weed out subscriptions that I don't need and I need to cancel. Tip number 4, build a cash reserve. Building a cash reserve is like giving your business a safety net. Aim to save at least 3 months worth of operating expenses. That way, if business slows down, you're not scrambling. Historically, we found that most business owners that have at least 3 months of reserves both tend to operate their business with less stress and anxiety, but also make better financial decisions. Starbucks, for example, always keeps a super healthy cash reserves, allowing them to innovate, grow, and invest even in tough times. They actually have $3.9 billion in cash reserves at this time. Tip number 5, use short-term financing wisely. If you find yourself in a pinch, consider short-term financing options like a line of credit. But, and this is a big but, use it wisely. Options like a business line of credit, invoice factoring, or credit cards can be helpful, but only if you have a clear plan for repayment. Avoid getting stuck in a debt cycle. Now remember, financing should be a tool and not a crutch. As always, be careful with credit cards as the interest payments can and will eat into your profits. So there you have it, 5 powerful tips to help you master your cash flow and keep your business thriving. Now, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with some of your fellow business owners. And if you have any questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Now, if you're concerned about the shifting landscape of small business taxes, click on the link in my bio for a free report on the top 10 wealth strategies and tax strategies we implement with our wealthy clients. Thanks for watching. Keep your head up, keep building, and I'll see you again soon.